In this video, how to send mass email on Salesforce. I will show you step by step how to send mass email in Salesforce. First, go to the Salesforce website in your browser. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the main menu of the platform. Now click the icon called App Launcher. In the search bar, type Contacts or Leads. Click the desired option to open the contact list. Now select the contacts you want to email. You can select multiple contacts at the same time. After selecting contacts, find the option called Send List Email. Click this option to open the email editor. Now type the subject in the subject field. Write the message that will be sent to all recipients. You can also use email templates if needed. Click Insert Template to choose a ready template. If necessary, add attachments to the email. Click the attachment icon to upload files. Review the email content before sending. Make sure all recipients are correct. After that, click the Send button. The email will be sent to all selected contacts. This is how you can send mass email using Salesforce.